Ever wondered how a scan tool works? Well, you're not alone. Scan tools, often seen in the hands of mechanics and car enthusiasts, are not your typical tool set. They're not designed to fix a problem. Instead, they're here to help identify it. Think of them as the ultimate code breakers for your vehicle, pulling back the curtain on potential issues and giving insight into the health of your car. For those who love their wheels, scan tools are indispensable. They allow you to speak the language of your car, interpreting signals and codes that would otherwise be a mystery. And for mechanics? Well, they're as essential as a good wrench. Scan tools give you the power to understand what's happening under the hood, turning cryptic engine codes into understandable information. So, whether you're a seasoned mechanic or a weekend car enthusiast, scan tools are your ticket to a deeper understanding of your automobile. In this video, we'll unveil the mystery of how these handy tools work. Scene script. Let's begin with the basic OBD2 scan tool code reader. Imagine having a compact device that plays the role of your car's personal doctor, diagnosing potential issues before they become major problems. That's exactly what a basic OBD2 scan tool code reader does. It's a device that interfaces with your vehicle's onboard computer to monitor its health and performance. Now let's break down how this magical tool works. Once you plug the device into your car's OBD2 port, it starts communicating with the vehicle's onboard computer system. It fetches data about various systems within your vehicle, from the engine to the transmission and even the brakes. The magic here is that the tool does not need any special programming or complex setup. It's as simple as plug, scan, and diagnose. One of the key points that make the basic OBD2 scan tool code reader a favorite among car enthusiasts and beginners alike is its ease of use. You don't need to be a mechanic or a car geek to operate it. The device does all the complex stuff, leaving you with simple, easy-to-understand information about your vehicle's health. Another significant advantage is its affordability. Unlike other, more complex diagnostic tools, the basic OBD2 scan tool code reader is pocket-friendly. It's a small investment considering the amount of money it can save you in the long run by alerting you to potential issues before they become expensive repairs. The type of information the tool provides is also important. It gives you diagnostic trouble codes, or DTCs, which are basically your car's way of saying, "Hey, something's not right here." These codes can alert you to issues ranging from a misfiring engine to a malfunctioning oxygen sensor. And the best part? With these codes, you can do a quick internet search and find out what they mean, helping you understand your car better. So, a basic OBD2 scan tool code reader is your go-to device for quick and easy vehicle diagnostics. Scene script. Next up, we have the average mechanic scan tool OBD2. Diving into the workings of this tool, the average mechanic scan tool OBD2 is like opening a treasure chest of diagnostics. This device is not just your run-of-the-mill code reader. Oh no, it's a level up, delivering additional features and capabilities that will make your car whisper its secrets to you. So, what sets it apart from the basic code reader, you might ask? Well, let's start with the enhanced diagnostics. While a basic code reader can tell you when there's a problem, an average mechanic scan tool OBD2 can tell you where the problem is and how severe it is. It's like having a car doctor in your toolkit, giving you a detailed diagnosis instead of a vague symptom list. But that's not all. This tool also offers live data. Imagine you're trying to figure out why your car is stalling. With live data, you can monitor the engine's performance in real time. You can see the fluctuations, the spikes, the drops, everything. It's like watching your car's heartbeat, giving you a better understanding of what's going on under the hood. Now, let's talk compatibility. The average mechanic scan tool OBD2 isn't picky. Whether you're working on a European beauty or an American beast, this tool can talk to various vehicle systems. It's fluent in ABS, SRS, transmission, and more. It's like having a universal translator for cars, breaking down the language barrier between you and your vehicle. And the best part? It's user-friendly. You don't need to be a car guru to use it. The average mechanic scan tool OBD2 is designed for everyday people who want to understand their cars better. It's a tool that empowers you, helps you make informed decisions, and saves you time and money in the process. With an average mechanic scan tool OBD2, you're stepping up your diagnostic game. So why settle for basic when you can go for better? With this tool, you're not just fixing cars, you're understanding them. And that, my friends, is the true art of car maintenance. Now let's delve into the world of bidirectional scan tool OBD2. This tool is a revolutionary piece of equipment that is changing the way we approach vehicle diagnostics. The term bidirectional refers to the tool's ability to not only extract data from a vehicle's system, but also send commands back to it, creating a two-way communication channel. This functionality enables advanced diagnostics and testing that were previously unattainable with more basic tools. The concept of bidirectional control is akin to having a remote control for your vehicle's system. It allows you to command the vehicle's system to perform certain tasks or tests. For instance, you can command the fuel pump to turn on or off, or ask the engine control module to increase the engine's RPM. These tests can help identify potential issues that might not be apparent during regular operation. But what makes bidirectional scan tool OBD2 truly stand out is its advanced diagnostic capabilities. It provides a deeper insight into a vehicle's health by allowing you to monitor real-time data from various sensors and systems. For example, you can monitor the engine's performance, the transmission's operation, or even the status of the exhaust system. This level of detail is invaluable when troubleshooting complex issues, allowing you to pinpoint the root cause more accurately and efficiently. Moreover, the bidirectional scan tool OBD2 doesn't just read and clear codes. It takes it a step further, providing you with comprehensive information about each code, including possible causes and solutions. This feature can save you hours of research and guesswork, giving you more time to focus on the actual repair work. In essence, a bidirectional scan tool OBD2 is like having a professional mechanic inside your toolbox. It empowers you with the knowledge and capabilities to tackle even the most complex vehicle issues, making it an invaluable tool for any car enthusiast or professional mechanic. Bidirectional scan tool OBD2 takes vehicle diagnostics to a whole new level. So how do you decide which scan tool is right for you? The million-dollar question. Well, it really boils down to a few key factors: your personal needs, your budget, and of course, your vehicle compatibility. Let's start with your personal needs. Are you a weekend warrior looking to do some basic troubleshooting on your car? Then a basic OBD2 scan tool code reader might be just the ticket. It's straightforward, easy to use, and will give you the diagnostic codes you need to understand what's going on under the hood. But maybe you're a bit more involved in your car maintenance. You're not afraid to get your hands dirty, and you want a tool that can provide more detailed information. In that case, the average mechanic scan tool OBD2 could be a better fit. This tool offers more advanced features, like live data streaming and the ability to clear and reset codes. On the other hand, if you're a professional mechanic or just a serious car enthusiast, you might be looking for something even more advanced. The bidirectional scan tool OBD2 is a high-end tool that allows you to send commands to your vehicle for advanced testing. It's like having a conversation with your car. Now let's talk budget. Scan tools can range from affordable to quite pricey. It's important to determine how much you're willing to spend before you start shopping. Remember, the most expensive tool isn't always the best fit for your needs. Finally, don't forget about vehicle compatibility. Not all scan tools work with all vehicles. Be sure to check the compatibility of a tool with your specific vehicle before making a purchase. In summary, there's a scan tool out there for everyone, from the casual driver to the professional mechanic. It's all about assessing your needs, setting a budget, and ensuring the tool is compatible with your vehicle. Remember, the right scan tool for you is the one that best suits your needs and budget. So take your time, do your research, and choose wisely. Happy diagnosing! So there you have it, the secret workings of scan tools unveiled. We've journeyed from the most fundamental OBD2 scan tool code reader, providing you with critical codes to diagnose your vehicle's health. We've moved through the domain of the average mechanic, exploring the more advanced OBD2 scan tools that offer live data and even graphing capabilities. And we've delved into the intriguing world of bidirectional scan tools, enabling interactive communication with your vehicle's systems for more complex diagnostics. The key takeaway is this: scan tools are indispensable tools, not magic wands. They won't fix your car's problems, but they will guide you to the root cause. They offer you a window into the inner workings of your vehicle, providing invaluable insights that can make your diagnostic efforts more precise and efficient. Whether you're a car enthusiast or a professional mechanic, understanding how scan tools work can make your diagnostic efforts more efficient and accurate. Until next time, keep exploring.